Today's Saturday, July 25th. This is the 1969 Cadillac DeVILLE HornPad, cosmetic HornPad for the rim blow steering wheel. This is an example of one that over time has become lumpy. Okay, we can see some bumps and lumps and other anomalies and imperfections in the surface that no matter how we revitalize the vinyl, those lumps are not going to come out. And this is one that has been fully revitalized after starting out with a much better core unit. We can see how nice and smooth, and the original vinyl surface integrity is much superior to one that has been subjected to the heat and has become plasticized or deformed with lumps. Okay, so this is from my friend Clinton, Ohio. This is El Dorado, Georgia, and Florida. I'm doing this feature video to show the differences between the cosmetic horn pads for the 1969 Cadillac rim blow steering wheels. Today is Saturday, July 25th. This is El Dorado, Georgia, and Florida. Thank you very kindly.